Welcome, wealth achievers! Have you ever envisioned a captivating realm where financial freedom seamlessly intertwines with a life of leisure? The allure of a lifestyle where work becomes an option rather than a necessity is undoubtedly magnetic. Stick around until the end of this video as we unravel the keys to transforming your life into that very style. Today, our focus revolves around 8 assets that make people rich enough to never work again. Achieving financial freedom. Let's embark on this transformative voyage together. Welcome to Cultivate, where today's ambitions are sculpted into tomorrow's achievements. Number 8. Getting money regularly with dividend stocks. Delve into the strategic realm of building wealth and attaining financial freedom through the art of investing in dividend stocks. This approach unveils a path to consistent and passive income as companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends, particularly advantageous for those seeking to bolster cash flow or cover living expenses without active work. Dividend-paying stocks present a dual benefit, merging income generation with the potential for capital appreciation. Choosing companies with a proven track record of consistent dividend payouts signals financial stability and sustained profitability. The allure extends further with dividend reinvestment programs, allowing investors to compound returns by automatically reinvesting dividends to acquire additional shares. Crafting a portfolio with carefully selected dividend stocks from stable and growing sectors lies the foundation for a reliable and expanding income stream. This strategic approach aligns seamlessly with the pursuit of financial freedom, offering a steady and evolving source of passive income crucial for overall financial well-being. Number 7. Getting big returns with private equity. Ever envisioned being an early investor in a revolutionary company like Netflix, witnessing its meteoric rise before streaming transformed our lives? This is the allure of private equity, a gateway to potentially substantial rewards by investing in private companies, often before they reach mainstream recognition. The allure of private equity lies in its capacity to deliver returns that surpass conventional expectations from public stocks or bonds. However, the journey comes with its share of challenges. Unlike stocks, private equity is less liquid, restricting the ability to sell shares at will and introducing heightened risk. Private equity encompasses a diverse landscape, from injecting capital into promising startups to acquiring stakes in well-established businesses. Success in this realm requires meticulous research, scrutinizing aspects ranging from a company's management team to its business model and market potential. Navigating the waters of private equity demands more than financial means. It necessitates a readiness to embrace risk and a commitment to in-depth due diligence. Access is typically limited to accredited investors, meeting specific financial criteria set by regulators. If you possess the financial fortitude, a risk-taker's spirit, and a willingness to dive deep into due diligence, private equity could be your passport to potentially significant gains. Number 6. Making money passively with intellectual property. What valuable possession do you have? Do you possess something incredibly valuable, like a patent, a copyright, or perhaps even a trademark? Now, here's the exciting part. Did you know that you can turn it into a source of passive income? Intellectual property encompasses patents, copyrights, trademarks, and various intangible assets. By being the creator and owner of these valuable rights, individuals open avenues for ongoing royalties, licensing fees, or profits from selling the IP. Consider authors earning royalties from book sales, inventors securing licensing fees for patented technologies, or musicians profiting from their copyrighted music. The beauty of IP lies in its ability to generate income effortlessly, providing a continuous revenue stream long after the initial creation. Strategic management and protection of intellectual property lead to a portfolio of assets that consistently contribute to financial well-being. This massive income stream enables individuals to amass wealth while diverting their focus to other pursuits, aligning perfectly with the aspiration of achieving enduring financial freedom through innovative and creative endeavors. Number 5. Building wealth through business ownership. Business ownership stands as a powerful pathway to financial freedom. offering the potential for substantial wealth accumulation. Whether launching a new venture, acquiring an existing business, or investing in a promising startup, the avenues are diverse and promising. Initiating a business from scratch empowers individuals to manifest their vision and seize untapped opportunities. Acquiring an established business comes with the benefits of a proven track record, an existing customer base, and a functional operational structure. On the flip side, investing in startups holds the potential for impressive returns, particularly if the business experiences rapid growth or attains a successful exit. The realm of entrepreneurial success thrives on calculated risks, strategic decision-making, and a dedication to innovation. Beyond merely generating income, successful business ownership constructs assets poised for long-term value appreciation, serving as a dynamic strategy for wealth accumulation. Business ownership perfectly aligns with the overarching goal of achieving enduring financial freedom through active and strategic participation in the realm of commerce. Before we move on to the next asset, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become an integral part of Cultivate. Join us on this remarkable journey of personal development and financial education. Number 4. Bonds. At number 4, for a steady income with lower risk, let's dive into the world of bonds. If you're seeking a more secure way to make money from your investments, bonds could be your go-to choice. Unlike stocks, they typically come with less risk and offer regular interest payments. When investors opt for bonds, they essentially extend a loan to governments, municipalities, or corporations, receiving periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Government bonds, often perceived as low risk, derive their security from the issuing government's credit, while corporate bonds are influenced by the issuing company's creditworthiness. Bonds shine due to their fixed income characteristic, delivering a steady and predictable cash flow. This stability positions them as an attractive option for risk-averse investors, especially those approaching retirement. While the returns from bonds might not match the potential of equities, they play a pivotal role in diversifying investment portfolios. Bonds bring stability during market downturns, serving as a counterbalance to the volatility of other assets. Integrating bonds into a comprehensive investment strategy elevates overall portfolio resilience and advances the pursuit of financial freedom. Number 3. Embracing precious metals and commodities. Delving into the realm of alternative investments with precious metals like gold and silver, coupled with commodities such as oil and natural gas. These assets present a valuable sanctuary for investors seeking protection against inflation. Their historical resilience during economic uncertainty highlights their significance. Precious metals, with their intrinsic value and limited supply, have the potential to appreciate over time, establishing themselves as a reliable store of value. Simultaneously, investing in commodities like oil and natural gas introduces diversification, given their tendency to move independently of traditional financial markets. Integrating these assets into your investment portfolio not only contributes to stability, but also acts as a safeguard against the erosive impacts of inflation, fortifying the overall resilience of your financial strategy. Number 2. Cryptocurrency and blockchain investments. In the pursuit of financial freedom, embracing cryptocurrencies and blockchain assets represents a modern and dynamic approach to investment. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, operate on decentralized blockchain technology, offering the potential for significant returns. The appeal lies in their ability to facilitate secure and transparent transactions while potentially disrupting traditional financial systems. However, the value of cryptocurrencies is characterized by high volatility, influenced by market sentiment, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. Despite this volatility, successful investments in digital assets have rewarded early adopters with substantial profits. You must approach the crypto market with a well-informed and risk-aware mindset. Strategic portfolio allocation to cryptocurrencies can provide diversification benefits and exposure to a rapidly evolving sector. While acknowledging the risks, incorporating cryptocurrency and blockchain assets into an investment strategy aligns with the goal of capitalizing on innovative financial opportunities in the pursuit of lasting financial freedom. Number 1. Steady income with real estate. Real estate emerges as a pivotal player in the pursuit of financial freedom, offering a distinctive fusion of reliable income and enduring value growth. Venturing into rental properties enables individuals to cultivate a consistent cash flow, fueled by monthly rent payments. This passive income not only covers mortgage obligations, but also generates surplus funds, fostering overall financial stability. The allure of real estate extends beyond immediate returns, as properties often appreciate over time, amassing equity and fostering wealth creation. Further bolstering its appeal, real estate ownership comes with tax advantages like depreciation and deductions, amplifying the financial rewards. Whether navigating residential landscapes, commercial domains, or real estate investment trusts, the tangible and lasting attributes of real estate position it as a steadfast asset class for those charting a sustainable course toward financial independence. All right, financial trailblazers, in the symphony of wealth creation, these 8 assets converge to craft a melody of financial independence. Picture yourself waving goodbye to the 9-to-5 monotony, not as a distant fantasy, but as the prelude to your upcoming reality. It's not merely escaping the ordinary, it's embracing the extraordinary. So gear up for the adventure that lies ahead, where the mundane becomes a memory, and each day is an unwritten chapter in the story of your financial emancipation. Spread the word and share it with your crew. Smash that like button if you're amped to turn dreams into dollars. Remember, the road to financial freedom begins with a click. Stay stoked, stay curious, and let's conquer those cash goals together.